So hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel YourPedia. So friends, first of all, congratulations to those candidates who are getting a call for the interview of NPCIL. So now question is what you have to prepare for NPCIL. So here we will discuss the interview document, what you have to prepare for in the interview. We will discuss step by step. So first of all, first thing you have to know about the organization for which your for which your interview is for. Okay, so our interview is for basically, as you see, that Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. That is, what is it? It is a public sector. You have to know that it is public sector. Basically, what type of question may came, that he can also put the question that it is basically under the Department of Atomic Energy. That is also very important. And he can also put that when it will become, or when the organization came into the picture, that is in 1956 Companies Act. According to 1956, in September 1987 we see that organization Nuclear Power Corporation Limited. Now next thing, the question came that operating atomic power plants है इसके पास and implementing atomic power projects. Now Atomic Energy Act, according to the Atomic Energy Act, NPCIL has equity participation in Bhavini, another PSU of department. So that question may came, what is Bhavini? Okay, so which implement fast breeder reactor program in the country. So you have to also be aware about the what is fast breeder reactor. ठीक है, what we use in the fast breeder reactor. So that type of question may came into your interview. So we are here for you that what type of question may be asked. Okay, next, as you see that NPCIL is created in 1987. As we read above also that it was came into the force in 1987 under the Companies Act. Very important. Now objective क्या है इसके? What are the objective of basically this company? Design, construction, operation and maintenance of atomic power station. Very important for the generation of electricity. That is the main part. Okay. Next, all nuclear power plant operated by company are certified for ISO environment management system. They are all certified. The next topic, the important topic for where that interviewer can ask question, some of important things here, that is the reactor fleet companies. Basically how many reactor it has? 2 boiling water reactor है इसके पास, and there are 18 pressurized heavy water reactors that include 100 megawatt. The capacity you have to be known, 100 megawatt PHWR at Rajasthan, which is owned by Department of Atomic Energy, and 1000 megawatt reactor, that is latest addition to the fleet in that unit of 2 Kudankulam nuclear power plant station also there, and 1000 megawatt water pressurized water reactor is also there. So you have to learn all these things, that what type of work is done by that particular organization, what he latest plays, which type of reactor is used in latest technology. So you have to learn about that also. These type of question may also came into your exam. Okay, first of all, what we have to also know, that is basically headquarter. Where is the headquarter of NPCIL? So headquarter is basically in Maharashtra. Who is the chairman? BC Pathak. So you have to know that. And one more thing you have to know, that is basically NPCIL एक sole company है basically, that is it has 22 nuclear reactor operation at 7 location and total installed capacity is 6780. That is also very important point. So you have to just remind or learn these points which are very important. When it was came into force, who is the director, how many reactors is currently working, how many reactor India has. So these type of question came into your interview. Next, currently NPCIL has 8 reactor under various stages of construction, that is total power is 6200 megawatt. I will also tell you what type of question can be asked. Abhi we are seeing about the overall what is NPCIL. Okay. Next, here are the unit. We discuss here every unit of reactors. Okay. So just you have to go through these units. Where are these units basically? And next is basically these are also the units, main units: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So these are the important units of nuclear power plant. And these are also Jaipur in Maharashtra, Kovada in Andhra Pradesh, Mithi Virdi in Gujarat, Chutka in Madhya Pradesh. These are also important. Just you have to read that all. Okay. Next, vision क्या है? What is the vision of basically NPCIL? So vision is you have to know globally proficient in nuclear power technology and contributing towards long-term energy security of the country. Okay. Mission क्या है? To develop nuclear power technology, that is the mission, and to produce nuclear power as a safe, environmentally being and economically viable source of electricity, so that we can produce electricity. Okay. Core values, just you have to read it out only. Safety, obvious सी बात है, we have to take the safety, ethics, excellence, care. Objective क्या है? What was the objective? So main objective of NPCIL to maximize the power generation with the help of nuclear and profitability from nuclear power station with motto safety first, production next. First of all we have to take safety because it is related to the nuclear, okay? And then production. To increase nuclear power generation capacity in the country consistent with the viable source in safe, okay, economical and rapid manner. So overall what you can conclude that we have to produce also, but with the first we have to take care of safety because it is related to the nuclear power. Okay. To develop personnel at all level through appropriate human resource development and to continue strengthen the environmental protection, that is also very important. We have to take care of environment also. Okay. Next, these are some operating unit. Again you can read it here: Kakrapara, Kega, Kudamkulam, Narora, Madras. These are very important. You should know about these 7 or 8 atomic power station: Madras, Narora, Kakrapur, Kega, Kudakulam. That are very important. Next, these are the units was under the construction, means we are adding more station into these units, so you have to learn about that also. Next, operating performance generation by units of NPCIL in the financial year. So you have to know about the what is generating capacity of NPCIL generally. Okay. Safety performance, we have to take the care of safety also. Safety first, production next, because again I am telling you it is related to the basically nuclear power. Okay. Now you have to know about that is biodiversity conservation. Related to the biodiversity, what is the issue of nuclear reactor? Okay. So fulfilling regulatory and statutory requirement, the program focuses on the scientific study of biodiversity, particularly fauna and fauna. Exclusive economic exclusive zone where we can't use these type of things. Okay. And most importantly, you have to know about the managing director and little bit about the managing director and 2 other person, that is director of HR and director of BARC. Okay. So you also know the name of these particular persons. Next, we will study nuclear power in India, 5th largest source of energy or electricity in India. We generate electricity from various source, but the 5th generated source is basically from which? That is nuclear, and first is basically thermal. We will see in other. India has 22 nuclear reactors in operation in 7 nuclear power plant with a total installed capacity, you have to know, 6,780, and nuclear power produced a total of 35 TWh and supplied 3.22% electricity in 2017. Now is approximately 5%, you can say 5% we we will made electricity from nuclear power plant. That is the tagline basically. Okay, next, these are the some basically you have to read, go through this document what we had done in 2010, 2011, 2017. Just read it out generally. Okay, the main focus point you have to remain in that. I will say that you have to just see very important some point, that is there are the some important location of nuclear plants that you have to know, and after that these are also the 7 most important points where we install the nuclear power plant. ठीक है, these are our generation 2018 तक हमने what we have done. Okay, the very important is thing that we have to discuss here, you have to read all this. ठीक है, you have to read all this. The most important thing that you have to go through, what is the current, that is 2018, we have in 2018 that type of energy we are using, but we will go through the basically in 2025 we will going to the last basically last diagram. This was the latest diagram, that was of 2018, and now currently we have nuclear is 3% approximately 3 to 5%, and gas 6%, diesel 0.2, thermal 60, hydro 12%, renewable 19%. So power generation capacity of 2025. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट और हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है, वी हैव टू नो दैट इज लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट इन NPCIL. व्हाट, राजस्थान एटॉमिक पावर स्टेशन सिंक्रोनाइज टू ग्रिड, भारत स्मॉल रिएक्टर यूज हुए हैं, इंडो फ्रांस एग्रीमेंट हुआ है, दैट इज न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी मिशन लॉन्च हुआ है, न्यू अमेंडमेंट प्रपोज्ड इन एटॉमिक एनर्जी, 20,000 crore allocated to small modular reactor, NPCIL. This is very important, you have to go through this all, and more importantly these topic also that are also very important related to the 2025. This is also related to the 2025, this is also, and next this is also, these last 3 pages is also related to the 2025 major project approval and development recently. Okay, and that is basically you have to know about the nuclear fuel, what fuel we use for the nuclear reactor also, that is you have to learn about. Now we move to the our very most important core topic related to the interview, that is what type of question he asked. Some question we have discussed, but some question we discuss in this form. Tell me about yourself, what do you want, why do you want to join NPCIL? Reputed energy source and research energy है, prestigious organization. Why do you know about, what do you know about the NPCIL? What are NPCIL core values? That are the point where you have to focus little bit to give the answer. ठीक है, why are you interested in a career nuclear? Okay, that type of, what are your strength and weakness? What do you see yourself in 5 years in NPCIL? This type of question came into your interview schedule basically. Group discussion is also there, you can see the group discussion may be there related to the simple question that NPCIL role in India energy security. That is a simple question कि क्या role है NPCIL का. ठीक है, can NPCIL drive India towards a carbon free energy future? That is also the question for you. That answer is also given. Challenges and opportunity for NPCIL, क्या challenges are there is for NPCIL? Nuclear energy से related. So these are very important 5 question also, 5 to 8 question. I think 10th question we have put it here. Yeah, 10 question. So next we have also taken the some case studies also. Rajasthan Atomic Power Station synchronization. How can large infrastructure project like Rajasthan manage delays caused by unforeseen global events? Example pandemic. अगर pandemic हो जाए तो क्या होगा? That is also very best questions, and we will also given some 2-3 line points answer also here. So you can use your these question also. These question can also be put by the interviewer. Small modular reactor and industrial decarbonization question. What are the potential benefit and challenges of using small modular reactor? That is a latest technology. ठीक है. So these are the point you have to go through. We have also given the answer. So that's all about that interview document. That is very interesting. In last 5-6 slides are very important because it is generally in latest technology and latest development in the NPCIL. So I hope you understand the document. So thank you. Be prepared for NPCIL interview. Thank you.